My name is Varaprasad. I am working as a business development manager at College Dunia. Sir, could you please give a brief introduction about yourself?
Very good afternoon. This is Dr. Chandrasekhar, Director, Avanti Group of Colleges.
Okay, sir.
And it is a largest group in both Andhra and Telangana,
Yes.
which is running almost 6 engineering colleges, 2 pharmacy colleges, 5 polytechnic colleges, and 2 degree colleges, and 1 PG college. I'm very happy to have an interaction with you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, as far as my personal qualification is concerned, I did PhD in computer science and engineering from Nagarjuna University, NEMTech from Andhra University. Altogether, I have 17 years of experience in teaching, and almost I have an association with Avanti Group of Colleges 10 years.
Yes, sir. That's really great, sir. Sir, my first question is, sir, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style, sir?
The philosophy is a simple teamwork. Okay, because a single person cannot do all the activities. Based upon the team spirit,
Yes.
based upon the performance of the team,
Yes.
automatically the success rate will be varied.
Yes.
My simple philosophy is a build-up of a good spirited team.
Yes.
Okay.
True, sir. I completely agree with you. With the team, we can achieve anything, sir. I also believe that same. Sir, my next question is, you have held key positions at education institution throughout your professional careers. So, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector, sir?
Because I am very much passionate towards the education,
Okay.
teaching especially. I think it's purely a personal question. From my childhood, even I'm very much passionate. I'm very much inspired by a few of the teachers
Okay.
in my childhood days.
Yes.
That spirit, that passion is increasing day by day. That spirit leads me to go for completion of the PhD.
Okay, sir.
So that my knowledge can be shared to different people. That is my first ambition. Because whatever knowledge I have, even though it is very small knowledge, I just wanted to share it to the people who don't know it. Exactly.
Yes.
So that point make me to come into this profession.
Yes, sir. Sir, how does the curriculum of Avanti College ensure the best practice of industry?
To be frank, our institution is affiliated to JNTU Kakinada.
Yes.
So we don't have another option to follow the curriculum of the JNTU Kakinada.
Okay.
But what makes Avanti different from other affiliated JNTU colleges are we have a few more good practices apart from the regular curriculum. The first practice is these practices I can differentiate into 2 different categories.
Yes.
One is the practices related to purely academics.
Okay.
The other one is the practices related to build up confidence of the student or increase the confidence of the student. As far as the special practices, good practices related to academic is concerned, apart from our regular academic curriculum given by the JNTU Kakinada,
Yes, sir.
we used to have additional topics which may not be covered by JNTU Kakinada. Okay, because of the globalization, the opportunities are not restricted to a particular JNTU region,
Yes.
not restricted to Andhra Pradesh or something. If we follow the same curriculum of JNTU Kakinada, the opportunities which may be outside of the Andhra may not be possible.
Yes.
So by considering this factor, we want to go through the different university syllabus so that we can identify what was missed in the JNTU Kakinada curriculum. So we used to teach those topics also so that he can be competitive to the students of other universities too. That is one best practice we have in our Avanti.
Yes.
Apart from this, as most of you know that JNTU Kakinada won't have a special curriculum related to campus recruitment training.
Yes, sir.
But this campus recruitment training plays very, very important role in the in connection to the selections.
Yes.
So we used to include those topics also from the second year onwards. Okay, this is one more best practice we used to have. Okay, these are the best practices related to the academics. As far as the other categories of best practices concerned, the parental care is a foremost important best practice total Avanti group of colleges have. Okay? I mean to say that the student definitely will feel that it is our institution. We are at the residence.
Yes.
How we use it to interact with the parent in such similar way, he can interact with our faculty also. In fact, the faculty also treat them as their close relatives. Okay? This is one of the non-academic best practice.
Yes, sir. These practices will definitely help the students, sir.
We hope so, and based upon this only, our success rate is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Year by year.
Yes, sir. Sir, I mean, being the director, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
So I believe that the admission is purely based upon the satisfaction level of the student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I believe that the mouth publicity is best publicity in getting up the admissions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We don't require any other type of marketing strategies, but I cannot completely rule out. Okay? There also plays some important role, but major role is the satisfaction level of the student and the mouth talk of the current student. So we focus on this particular category so that how best we can satisfy the student is the first duty of each and every faculty. So to implement to have a complete satisfaction level of the student, okay, the first thing is the proper planning is required.
Yes, sir.
The planning, if the planning is perfectly done, the execution must also be perfectly done. Okay? So first, the academic planning should be done ahead of the starting of the semester. Okay, as I told you that team spirit is very important.
Yes,
with the help of the team, how best we can implement the strategy or planning to reach this particular academic plan to the last bench of the student also.
Yes,
okay? Based upon the satisfaction level, we can get a good admission. Okay? That is 1%, a major percentage of the strategy. Okay. The second percentage is that, in fact, even though we are very much confident on giving complete satisfaction to the student, okay, that may not be reached to all the corners of the city.
Yes.
Okay? In that cases, we should have different medias like your electronic media, okay, press media. Okay?
Yes.
All these are helpful us to expose our strategies, our action plan to each corner of the city.
Yes.
In that context only, we used to have the hoardings, okay, and FM radio publicity, TV publicities, and social media publicities, everything. We used to follow it. Facebook publicity is there, Instagram publicity is there. Everything is done in parallel with the strategy implementation and everything.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, my next question is any insight into how your college could be more welcoming to the students of different races or different economic backgrounds?
Different economical gap, we are not focusing on the economic standards of the student, because in the last year itself, government of Andhra Pradesh has taken clear-cut decision that all the fees of almost all the fees of engineering colleges will be paid by the government directly if they are eligible for the fees reimbursement. Okay, so economical poor candidate obviously will get support from the government.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if they are not eligible for the fees reimbursement, okay, based upon the intermediate marks and based upon the set rank, okay, we used to give some incentives to the students because we need a quality student so that our pass percentage our strategy will be exposed to the public based upon the current students' performance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In that context only, we are encouraging the students by giving some concession in transportation, especially. If he is interested for the hostel, we are ready to give you free hostel facility. Okay. So in this way, we will encourage them.
Yes, sir, that's really great, sir. Who are from poor backgrounds.
Thank you.
Sir, what do you see?
More is our management, because this institution, if you consider the improvement statistics of the Avanti,
Okay.
it was started with 8 number of students with single institution. Now we have 14 institutions with almost 20,000 plus students.
Oh,
So I can tell you that this entire progress or entire development is because of the thinking attitude of the management. They are not commercial. Okay? Always they wanted to support the student, okay, financially or morally, whatever he need, based upon that we will support.
yeah, that's really great, sir. I mean, sir, my next question is, what do you see Avanti College's greatest strengths?
Greatest strength, as I told you that, best placements, okay? Best teaching, parental caring, okay? individual interaction,
Yes, sir.
personal monitoring
Yes.
of each student.
Yeah.
These are the strengths of Avanti.
College. Sir, I mean, how do you tend to establish a healthy environment in your college?
And the atmosphere is completely based upon the attitude of the faculty member.
Okay.
Okay? So in the taxman, because I think Telugulo oka samat undi, yada raja tada praja.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That means that, however, the thinking attitude of the higher administration, based upon that, the second level of category people will be implemented.
Yes, sir.
As I told you that ours is a non-profitable type of organization. The management always focus on the what I can tell you, good relation between management and the staff.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means the management will treat the faculty member as their own family members.
Okay.
Okay. So each and every faculty member will treat or consider our institution as their own self-institution.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So automatically their mindset will become in a positive way, in such a way that, okay, it is our family. Okay. So automatically while teaching it, that these faculty members also treat the student as their own family members.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So automatically the rapport will be developed. Okay. So the soft corner will be shown in all the aspects,
Yes.
like while teaching, while interaction with the student, okay, while addressing the issues of the student also, they will be considered, will be treated as their own relation. So that's how we can pass this particular in a strategic way. Okay.
Yes.
Even every fortnight, our chairman we have a habit of interaction with the faculty members directly.
Okay.
So whatever he has into the mind, how we have to treat and everything, that will be passed to the faculty member. I can consider it as one sort of training to the faculty members.
Yes.
Okay. So automatically, and that aspect on one side, and in the second aspect, we used to monitor them as a director and principal or head of the department. These people will monitor how this particular policy of the management is reaching to each and every student
Yes, sir.
of our.
Yes. That's really great, sir. Sir, so what do you think the college's top priority over the next 10 years?
Next 10 years,
Yes.
the first priority is as obviously every year our priority is giving the best to the student in terms of placements and everything.
Okay.
That is a continuous goal. As far as short-term goal is concerned, we want to have make it as a university. University.
Okay. Sir.
For that, within a couple of years, we want to go for autonomous.
Okay.
The next step to the autonomous university.
Yes, sir. Yes. So my next question is, when you first come to this college, what was your vision for the college, sir?
Pardon?
Sir, when you first come to this college, what was your vision for the college?
Myself?
Sir?
Are you asking about myself?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What was your vision for the college?
First vision is because being a post-graduation PhD candidate, personally, while I'm entering into this particular Avanti domain, I thought the first priority is research.
Research, okay.
I wanted to inculcate the research culture among the faculty members. Okay. By increasing the number of publications by the student, the faculty members, and even that particular research should be reached to the student in such a way that the innovative thinking should be inculcated among the students.
Yes,
okay. So almost every year we used to publish minimum of altogether 50 international journals.
Okay.
And even we used to apply for the different projects by ACT as well as the DST.
Okay.
That was my first ambition before I am I'm going to join into the
institution. Okay. So, I mean, what would you like people to know about your college that they may not know?
I think everything of Avanti is known to all the students. I hope
yes,
so.
Sir. Yes, sir. It's a big college, obviously. Yeah.
Because it is already established.
Yes, sir.
The one thing is maybe this parental care may not be known to all the students. That is only I hope so. I think so.
Yes, sir. True, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. My last question is, any suggestion would you like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
I'm not that much of great to give a suggestions, to be frank, but it is very crucial case.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To be frank, this is the only age for enjoyment.
Yes,
okay. And parallelly, this is the only age to set out goal.
Yes, sir.
Okay? It is delayed at least 2 to 3 years. Our fate will be in a different way. Okay?
Yes.
Be serious about your career and take everything very seriously and develop the discipline and commitment. That's it.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you very much for your time, sir.